Hello, in this class I'm going to teach you how to make a very quick and simple mulatto cake, even for those who don't know how to cook. However, subscribe to the channel, and if you like it, give it a like. Before we start making the dough, preheat the oven to 180 degrees and it will be the temperature until the end of the cake. Place parchment paper in the pan, grease the entire paper with butter. Now let's go to the ingredients. Weigh 500 grams of flour. Now pass all the flour through a sieve into a bowl where you will mix the rest. Now we move on to brown sugar, another 500 grams, and we keep the flour and sugar separately. Put half a liter of milk and 2 tablespoons of butter, and go to the stove to melt the butter. Add the flour and sugar and add 2 teaspoons of yeast. Now, as we can see, add 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon to the mixture. Add 2 eggs to the mixture already made, beat with an electric wand or even by hand the mixture, and then add the butter that was melting until now. Now place the dough, already very consistent, on the initial tray. Accordingly, leave the dough straight to go in the oven for around 30 minutes at the same 180 degrees. After it's ready, let it cool and cut into squares, pass it through with regular sugar, and that's it. This video took a lot of work, so if you can give it a like and subscribe and comment if you've already made it, if it was good or not.